Colin with Popular Woodworking Magazine, and today we're going to be discussing dust collection in the shop. Specifically, we're looking at portable dust collection, like dust extractors and shop vacs, and we're going to be taking a look at the main differences between the two, what might be best for your situation, and why one costs more than the other. Let's talk about shop vacs first. Now, shop vacs, also called wet-dry vacs, are generally designed with cleanup in mind. So shop vacs are generally more simple systems. They come with large diameter hoses, different types of attachments, and can be used for wet or dry purposes. They also don't tend to have as many features as dust extractors. It's a simple filtration system, there's not a lot of bells and whistles, and overall it's a less expensive place to start when you're purchasing. So shop vacs, simple systems designed for cleaning. How does that compare to a dust extractor? So the biggest difference, in my opinion, between shop vacs and dust extractors is 1 micron. And that's the size of particles that are most dangerous to woodworkers' lungs. That's where a dust extractor excels. Most dust extractors have HEPA filtration systems that will trap particles down to 0.3 microns. Also, as a whole, the systems are better designed to keep dust in and not blow it around. That means better seals for the hoses as well as between the motor and receptacle. So let's take a look at some of the features that a dust extractor has that you're not going to find on a shop vac. One of the main things that you're going to find on almost all dust extractors is variable airflow. This helps you pick the right amount of airflow for the task that you're doing. If you are going to be, doing something on a table saw or a miter saw, you're going to want a high amount of airflow going on. That's going to collect the most dust, trap everything in. But if you're working with a sander, you don't necessarily want that much airflow. Too much is going to pull the sander too tight to your work and might actually cause more swirl marks. So you can turn that down. Most dust extractors also have filtration cleaning, automatic or manual. And what that means is when the filters are being cleaned, you're going to have more continuous airflow. What tends to happen with a shop vac is the more time goes on, the more dust gets packed in that filter and the less airflow that you have. That means that it's doing a poorer job of bringing in dust and is just making the motor work harder as well. The other key feature that you will find on most dust extractors is some sort of connection system. This particular one has Bluetooth, but a lot of dust extractors have a plug that you can plug a tool into. What's neat about that is then the dust extractor becomes tool activated. So when you turn on a sander, for example, the dust extractor will automatically turn on and will run. And once you turn off the sander, it turns off. That means that you are only running the tool when you need to, and also means that you're more likely to have the tool running when you need it. Let's take a closer look at those filters. So here we have the shop vac filter. It's not very large. It's your canister style filter. It goes with your paper pleats. And then it's a really simple, kind of hard rubber gasket. And that's it. As opposed to, these are the filters out of Milwaukee. They're HEPA rated. A lot more surface area. That means that it's able to draw more airflow through them. And also really heavy duty rubber gaskets. It's really keeping a tight air seal. What's also nice about dust extractor filters is that they're designed for long life. This right here, this is out of a Bosch that's gotten years and years of use, and the filters are still good. They look dirty, but because the dust extractor is continuously cleaning the filters as time goes on, they last longer, and it's just a more durable setup overall. Another key part with the dust filtration is that dust extractors are designed to be used with a bag. And that's like a first line of defense. What that does is it collects all the larger dust particles, the sawdust shavings, all that stuff, and prevents that from getting to the filter to begin with. That means the only thing that's touching the filter is those fine particles that we talked about that you don't want getting to your lungs. Now let's talk just for a second about the major price difference you're going to see between shop vacs and dust extractors. And as you've already seen here, shop vacs are a very simple system. Very direct, no bells and whistles. Dust extractors are designed to be part of a larger workshop system, whether that's tool connectivity, something like the pack out functionality here, And also, just the overall dust collection level. Using a shop vac with the mask is better than nothing, but at the end of the day, that leaves a ton of fine particles in the air. Those particles can work their way into their house. They take hours to settle, while a dust extractor, though it costs more, is going to give you better performance, a cleaner shop, healthier lungs, and all that stuff really adds up. So hopefully this information has been helpful to you, and let us know in the comments, what are you using in your shop, and what do you like about it? What else do you wish you could change about it? And most importantly though, go out into the shop, have some fun, be safe.